What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how I make this delicious Cajun honey butter salmon steak. So let's get started. So here I have some green seasoning, garlic paste and scotch bonnet pepper, some oil, some honey, some Cajun seasoning and complete seasoning, some butter, and of course 2 lovely pieces of salmon steak. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and combine the seasoning together and season my salmon steak generously. Now guys, you could use any other seasoning that you like, but these are the 2 seasonings I'll be using today, and these have salt in them, so I won't be adding any salt to this. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the seasoning to my fish and kind of pat it in, and I'm just going to season it and allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now guys, this is a rather quick, simple and easy recipe to follow. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this one. Now to my pan, I'm going to go in with my oil and I'm going to add my butter. Now the oil and the butter helps to caramelize the fish without the butter burning, because if you just add the butter to the pot, the butter can end up burning and not taste good. So the oil complements the butter well. And I'm going to go ahead and sear this for about 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side until we achieve a nice golden crust. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip this. This is what you want your salmon to look like. Have a nice golden crust before you flipped it, and you want to be very gentle with it guys, because it could break and we don't want to have mushy salmon. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this from my pan. Now to the pan, I'm going to go in with my garlic, green seasoning and scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to give this a good swirl around. Or a good mix or something like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my seasoning mix. Add my butter. Give this a mix. I'm going to go ahead and add my honey. Now I'm just going to go in with about a splash or maybe quarter cup, if so, of vegetable broth. Yes guys, and then I'm just going to allow that to come to a little simmer, and then I'm going to add my final piece of butter, because as I said before, we're making Cajun honey butter salmon steak. Now we're going to add back our salmon steak to the cast iron, and now we're going to baste the salmon steak in that delicious, gorgeous sauce that we just made. And it's as easy and simple as that guys, and basically your salmon is ready. Now you could serve this up however you like, with some rice, some mashed potatoes, some vegetables, some roast potatoes. The options are endless. You could serve this up with whatever you like. And that's basically it guys. Your Cajun honey butter salmon is ready. Now I did serve this up with some rice and peas and a side of veggies / slaw, and you could do whatever you like. If you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload, and give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video. That's it, my beautiful people. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.